All right, we got a 2006 BMW 5 Series that we want to go ahead and we want to add a key to it. So we have the original key right over there. Let's turn the car on. There we go, the car is on now. Alright. ...2006 BMW 5 Series. Cast 3 system. Hot function. Add a key. Make sure you got some internet. Ignition is on. Semi-smart key is when, alright, remove the key from the ignition switch. If it is a smart key, please take the key out of the vehicle. So, let's take that key out and click OK. Start performing automatically, start. Put the new key in the programmer and so here's our new key. We'll put that in and click OK. Right now we're pre-processing the key to make it a dealer key. Semi-smart is basically when you have the key in the ignition to start it. If you don't need the key in the ignition to start it, you can just push a button without the key in there, then it's a smart key. So right now we're just making it semi-smart key. Alright. Put that inside. Let's see if we could start it. There we go. That's the new key. Can the new key start it? Yes. All done. There we go. 2006 BMW 525, adding a key to the vehicle. Thank you so much for watching.